Hi, today we are going to start a new series on collections. So let's talk about collections, and we will also talk how was our life before collections. And in this tutorial, we are going to talk about one problem where we have to manage the employees list, and we have to perform basic operations like add, view, modify, or delete. So first we will solve this problem using arrays, and then we will see what are the problems which we may face with arrays and can we overcome those problems. So this is our requirement. We have a collection of employees objects in an organization, and we have to perform basic operations like add, view, modify, delete on them. How to solve this using arrays? So simple is have an array with 10 employees. So in this example I am taking an integer array of 10 employees, but just to tell you that I'm going to only store employee ID is a single attribute of each employee. That's why I have taken a single dimensional array having size of 10. But if you want to store multiple attributes of an employee, then we can go for multi-dimensional array, which we are not going to discuss in detail in this tutorial. So another requirement could be I want to add 20 employees. Then simple solution is have an array of size 20. If I want employees who are in number 1000, so again you can extend our array implementation with size of 1000. But do you ever see a problem here? Because every time when you are extending the size of the array, you have to modify the declaration of an array, which is a problem. So we all know here, by this point we know that fixed size is a first problem when you go with arrays. How can you solve that? One obvious answer could be have a array which is very big in size, which could be 10,000. So suppose your requirement is to store, you don't expect your employees to cross more than 5,000, then have an array which is having a size of 10,000. So you will never face this problem like you have to extend the array size. But again, this problem could again come back in the future where your employee size is going to cross 10,000, then again you have to modify the declaration. So this problem may not solve completely, but if you're not looking for scalability in your solution, then this is one of the solutions you can go for using array. So but do you see still a problem? The problem which is very important, which could be very important for few people but may not be very important for few others, like you have unused space problem here. So it could be a very important point when you're talking about performance, or when you're talking about unused memory. So this is like a matter of debate whether it's really a big problem or not, but still this is definitely a problem with arrays. Now what are the other problems with arrays? There is no underlying data structure support with arrays, so that whenever you want to search or you want to sort or you want to perform the comparison between employees, you have to write the code for that. A developer has to write the code for that. There is no ready-made utility methods available, because the reason is there is no underlying data structure support for arrays. It's a sequentially linear collection of data arrays, so you don't have any data structure support with that. It's nice thought. So far we just talked about arrays implementation and the problems in that implementation, but in the future upcoming tutorial we are going to talk about some better solution. Can we find some better solutions? So thanks for watching this tutorial, and hope you will join us in the next tutorial, which is about better solutions to this array problem. Thank you so much.